Hi, Shell here from Shell's Craft Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this card. I've used my John Next Door layering dies. These are the 5-inch size. It does a 6 and a 7, I believe. And for my sentiment, I used the Spirit of Christmas. Lovely big stamps you get from there, from Crafter's Companion. I've already prepped my materials, but I'm going to show you how we cut all these out. So now I'll show you how to make the card. So I've got my dies here, and I leave the outer pieces till last. And then I'm going to bring these in. I'll just place them on a piece of paper. And my Gemini's already covered in pieces of tape. Now normally I'd stand up and do this, so hopefully we're going to have even distribution. As you're just looking for just a small edge. That's a bit too far over that way. Those, and then I'll place them on my very bent Gemini mats. Turn my Gemini on, and I'm just going to feed those through. I'm just going to take those off, tap that on the table, bring my red piece in, and I'm just going to pinch my tape off of there. So now we should have all our pieces we need. So we're just going to pop those all out. Bring these back in. Let's take all them off. Put all my rubbish over there. you'll tidy your dies up later because you'll have all little pieces. And I'll put them back on my magnetic sheets. But as you can see, I have all my pieces. I'm going to layer that one on top of there. I'm going to layer that one on top of there. And I'm going to layer that one on top of there. So there's our pieces. Easy to pop out. So now I'm going to stamp my Happy New Year. So I'm going to bring my piece in. Because we did Happy Christmas on this one, so I'm going to do Happy New Year on this one. So I'm just going to pop my stamp down there. Quite happy with where it's at, it seems central. Just pop some ink on there. Bring it back and just pop it down. Nice and even. And there we go. We've got our sentiment, Happy New Year. So I'm just going to have a quick tidy up and then we'll put the card together. So now we've got our card, our glitter pieces, our white pieces all ready to go. Now, because I'm going to stick this onto the glitter, I'm going to use the red tape because this is very sticky. If you use just ordinary double-sided tape, I think it might just come away from the glitter and we don't want that. And for my glitter pieces, I'm going to use foam pads to give them a bit of, so they're raised from the card. So I'm just going to do all this. So now all our pieces are ready to place onto our card. So we're going to bring our card in and we'll start with our square. We'll pop that on. Now for our circle, what we're going to do is we're going to take our foam pads off, and there's a little tip to try and make sure it's central. When you pop it down, if you count the little dots either side, so I've got 4 there, 4 there, 4 down the bottom, so I'm quite happy to pop that down because that will be nice and central. And for this one, same thing, have a look, try to work out even distribution of the dots. I'm quite happy that that's central, and I'll pop that down. Bring in a bone folder. And there we have our finished card. So there we have a Christmas and a New Year card. We could, if we wanted, have 3 different colours. So that's something I want to try next. I will put all the details of the dies, the stamps, everything I've used today on my blog at shellbower.blogspot.com. If you've enjoyed my video, if you could click the like and subscribe button, that makes me happy. If you click the little bell, it will tell you when I next upload something. So until next time, bye bye for now.